Hey everyone, we're currently in the beautiful and colorful Campeche. Campeche is unique for Mexico as it is a walled city and also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We're going to explore the city for the next couple of days and we're excited to bring you along. Let's go!
Campeche is a vibrant and colorful city located in the Yucatan Peninsula on the Gulf of Mexico. Founded by the Spanish in the 16th century, Campeche is known for its rich colonial history and beautiful colorful architecture. The city boasts a well-preserved old town surrounded by 8-meter high walls and fortifications.
Hi, we are at Plaza de la Independencia. Plaza de la Independencia is dominated by Cathedral Campeche, right over there. People come here to hang out and sometimes they hold special cultural events at night. Surrounded by colorful and beautiful colonial buildings. And this is probably one of the most beautiful plazas in Mexico.
Alright, so we're now walking along the Campeche Malecon.
The Campeche Malecon is a scenic promenade that stretches for several kilometers along the Gulf of Mexico coast and has breathtaking views of the sea. The Malecon is a popular spot to enjoy the fresh sea breeze, take a leisurely stroll or bike ride, and to watch the sunset over the Gulf.
Alright, so we are now at Baluarte de San Carlos, and it is a bastion that was built in 1676 that contained a barracks and a prison. And now it's a museum, and we're going to go inside and check it out now, so let's go.
Let's go.
The Baluarte de San Carlos is part of a larger system of defensive fortifications that were constructed around the city. You can explore the fortress and learn about its fascinating history, as well as enjoy panoramic views of the city and the Gulf of Mexico.
I'm glad this guy's got protection in the right place. Here we are now. Right here. Okay, we're going down to the basement here, into the dungeon. Oh, it echoes in here. Oh, there's someone locked up down here. Oh no, this poor soul. What did you do wrong? Are you a pirate? At least they got air conditioning for you.
Oh yeah, they got an aircon.
This is like luxury torture, mate.
Good morning everyone. We are on our way to have our breakfast. And today we are going to try the Yucatan specialty called Panchos. Let's go.
Alright, so this morning we are at Tia Tere and we have ordered pulled pork and minced beef panucho. We came here and ate yesterday. It's a super local joint and the food is absolutely delicious, so we can't wait.
Panucho is a Yucatan specialty made with fried tortilla that is stuffed with refried beans and topped with meat, pickled onions, avocado and other garnishes.
Alrighty, so our panucho has arrived, so we have our pulled pork here and our minced beef here. I'll give them a try now. So I'll
What is that?
This is some salsa rojo that I'm putting on there. I'm gonna chuck more of this pickled onion on.
And the other one is pickled cabbage.
Pickled cabbage. Yeah, chuck a bit of
With
pickled
chili,
cabbage.
yeah, it's spicy that one.
I'll chuck that on. Let's give this a try. It's piping hot. Oh, that's awesome. So it's essentially like an open-faced taco, really. It's like a tostada. It's got a really thick tortilla, so it's kind of crispy on the outside and goopy in the middle. But yeah, it's almost like a tostada, but more delicious because I don't like crunchy stuff. So this is awesome, and it's got salad and stuff on top. The meat is really juicy, really flavorful, really good. I like this. Now let's give the pulled pork a go. I'll give it the same treatment. Oops. Give it a bit of this pickled cabbage. All right, let's give this pulled pork a turn. Oh, it's really good as well.
Which one is better?
I think I preferred the minced beef, but that's still really good as well. This is awesome. This is a really good dish.
I ordered something extra than Dawn. I had my empanada as well, but I'm gonna give some. I'm gonna try pulled pork first.
Yeah, the pickled onions are the best, aren't they?
Yeah. I don't know. I think Right, going in.
Going in. She's going in.
Super oily, but it's so good.
Yeah. I like that the meat's not
yeah.
dry. Like some
pickle. The best. Yeah, like you said, it's soft inside. It's
yeah,
crunchy
on the outside. Yeah. It's got like different textures going on. Two thumbs up from Naturia. Alrighty, so this morning we are now heading to Fuerte de San Miguel. We need to catch a bus to Lerma, which we're going to do now. So we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've gotten off the bus. It costs 7 pesos per person, and it's only about a 5 or 10 minute ride. You catch the bus opposite the market, and it's heading for Lerma. It's just a little minibus collectivo looking thing.
Yeah. The location is between the Puerta de Tierra and Baluarte de San Juan.
Yeah, and so now we're walking, they drop you off at the main road and then you've got to walk up the hill to the fort. So we're doing that now. So we'll see you at the fort.
See ya.
Alrighty everyone, so we've now walked up the hill and we're now in front of Fuerte de San Miguel. Check it out. Still raining, we're getting wet, but we're pushing on. We're going to go inside. There's a little museum, so we'll check that out first. It looks like the weather is clearing up behind us, so hopefully it'll clear up so we can walk around the outside of the fort. See you soon.
Fuerte de San Miguel is a historic military fortress built in the 18th century. The fort was designed to protect the city from pirate attacks, which were common in the region during that time. You can explore the fort's impressive ramparts, gun emplacements and rooms, which now house a Mayan museum with artifacts found around Campeche, including some impressive jade masks.
Alright, so I've been wandering around Fuerte San Miguel for a little bit now. So they've turned the bottom section into a Mayan archaeological museum. So all the rooms that are in the bottom of the fort are now part of the museum, which is it's a neat little museum. It's got all these funerary masks and stuff, which is really cool.
You have English language,
yeah,
so
English.
you can read it, yeah.
We can actually read what we're looking at. We can interpret what we're looking at. Anyway, so now we're kind of wandering around the top of the fort now, so you can then, after you're done with the museum, wander around the top of the fort and you get really awesome views of the Gulf of Mexico, and they've got all the old cannons up here and stuff. And inside of the fort is really colorfully painted in yellow, and it looks really awesome. So yeah, so we're going to wander around here for a little bit more, then we're going to head back into town. So we'll see you later.
Later.
Okay, so now we're walking back down to the main road. I have no idea what the road's called, but we're heading back down there where the bus drops you off to collect one back into town. And then we'll see what we're going to do then. I think we're going to go to one of the walls there, the portal, and then we might even walk to the other fort. There are actually two forts in town, so we're going to go to the other one maybe. Did you know Campeche is a walled city? It was built to protect against pirate attacks. The walls are 8 meters tall and took 18 years to build, from 1686 to 1704. Right, so there were two forts built by the Spanish to protect against the pirates. We are now at the second one, Fuerte San Jose El Alto. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, I got it right. Cool. So we're here now. We took a cab up here because we did some research. We couldn't find out about what buses to take. So we took a cab. It cost 50 pesos. And here we are. Let's go explore.
Let's go.
So they've turned this room into a cave. Fossils, plastic dinosaurs. Look at this, ancient aliens. This guy's wearing a spacesuit or a scuba diving kit. So Fuerte San Jose El Alto has also been converted into a museum, and this one is an underwater archaeological museum. So they've got a bunch of stuff from shipwrecks around the Yucatan Peninsula, and they house them all here. So now we are going to head back into town and do a bit more exploring of the Centro Histórico around Campeche. We'll see you there.
See ya.
Bye. All right, we're at Puerta de Mar, which is one of the two main entrances to the old wall in Campeche. The other one is linked via Calle 59 at the other end, Puerta de Tierra, and we're going there right now. We'll see you there.
Campeche is one of the few cities in Mexico with numbered streets. The streets that run north to south have odd numbers, like Calle 59 for example. And for those who run east to west, got the even number, like Calle 14 for example.
This isn't where I live. Did you know Campeche is also known as the Rainbow City because all the buildings are painted different colors? Gracias.
Cuidado con la cabeza. Antes de bajar, toca la campana arriba, ¿vale? Sí.
Wow. Okay, so you're going to walk up these stairs and you've got to ring the bell when you want to come back down.
Puerta de Tierra was built in the 18th century and was once one of the two main entryways to the walled city of Campeche. You can walk on large sections of old city walls here, explore the fortifications, and get amazing views of Campeche from above.
We're now at Puerta de Tierra. It cost 40 pesos to enter, and then a man lets you in via a lock gate and you climb some stairs, and then you can walk along a massive section of the wall. And when you want to leave, you need to ring this bell right here to let the guy know to come and unlock the door. Like clockwork, he comes and let us out.
Careful your head.
Muchas gracias. Hey everyone, our time in Campeche has come to an end. We really love this place. This is the second time we've been here. So this Campeche is often overlooked. People will either not come here or they'll go straight past on the way to Palenque or San Cristobal. But don't do that. Give yourself the extra 2 days. Do yourself a favor and come here. We love it here.
Yes.
We really hoped you enjoyed coming along with us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got this far, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time.